it's Latoya Dillard. I am on site at Colvin Park today. I was out checking on the progress of my client's new construction home, and I am here with the lovely Miss Stacey Clark. She's the on-site agent here, and she's going to tell us a little bit about the community and what they have going on. So Stacey, take it away.
Yay, so lots going on at Colvin Park. We're going to have a total of 226 lots. We're just now really getting started. The model park should be opening by the middle of April. We're going to have 3 models here. We have a variety of floor plans here. We're going to start in the mid-3s. That's going to be for about 1,600 square feet. We're going to take that all the way past 4,000 square feet. So sky's the limit here. We are semi-custom, so you're going to get to pick everything down to the hinges. No packages, no predetermined kitchens, no predetermined floors. It is all about you here at True Homes in Colvin Park.
So can you tell us about, are there any amenities out here?
Yes, so pickleball courts are already in. We have 2 dog parks. One is a small dog park, one is for large dogs. We're going to be adding a dog sprinkler in there, some seating. $46 a month is all the HOA is.
Oh, I love that.
Mm-hmm.
You know, hey Chris.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. I see the house.
You want to see the house? Yeah.
There we go. Okay, good, good.
You like it? You like it? That's the color, so no more yellow, right?
That's home. Yeah, he said that's home.
That is home. Yep. So they're out here working. But so we're gonna go in. So you have your cabinets are in. You know the doors.
Oh, the cabinets are in. Okay.
Yep. So I am going to go in. The paint is
Oh, yeah.
You like? So this is your dining area here.
Yeah.
Your butler.
Oh, yeah.
You like it?
Oh, yeah.
So here's your butler's pantry.
Oh, yeah. That's a light gray, right?
Mm-hmm. So you know you all did the stain.
Right.
So your soft colors. So you have your cabinets there, and then you have your actual pantry here.
Uh-huh.
So that's the door, one of the doors.
Mm-hmm.
And then swap to your kitchen.
Oh, girl, that thing's coming together big time.
Uh-huh. So but turn this way, so you know, of course, this is where your refrigerator will go there.
Yeah.
You have your cabinet space there.
Nice, nice.
And because you know your stove will go here.
Yes. Very nice.
Like it. This is the sunroom.
Okay. That thing coming along. Yeah, I like those bannisters. They're going up.
You see that? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have your, this is coming from the garage.
Okay.
So this is the garage. So you see they have the garage doors installed.
Yep. I tell you one thing, the garage looks really small, man.
You think so? Let's see. Looks like,
Once you went out there, I see it's roomy.
So
I like that.
you like the windows?
Yeah. Very nice. Oh, yeah.
You
It's nice. Look, baby, look. Oh, yeah, they nice. Ain't that nice?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go upstairs now.
Okay.
Save the primary for last. So let's go to the laundry room.
Okay.
this is your furnace room here.
Yeah.
2 doors.
When you go back out of the laundry room, it's a long wall. Can you look over that down into the first floor?
No. So this is the game room.
Nice. Very nice.
Okay. So
Like,
secondary bedroom. So does it feel like, so now that the walls are up, you can kind of really get a feel of the space. So do you feel like
it's huge. Okay.
So I'm gonna go this way. So I'm standing by the closet. Well, I'm standing in the closet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So back out to the other secondary bedroom.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay, I can't wait to see what you do with it. And of course, this is the secondary bathroom. So you have your vanity there.
Yes.
Like that.
And the bathroom.
And this is the other bedroom.
So which out of the 3 bedrooms you think is the biggest?
Yeah, I think you can say, I think this is kind of, it feels the largest because the closet is on the back wall. Because remember I was saying with the other 2 closets, it kind of bumps out just a little. So it makes the space feel like it's a little smaller.
Yeah.
But this bedroom here, because this closet is on this back wall and you don't have that bump out.
Right, and none of that, you sound hollow in that room too.
And now we're going to go to what? The primary.
Yeah.
Voila! You have your tray ceiling. You have your sitting area to the left.
Nice.
And then you have your primary bathroom.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Your vanity. You have your
I don't think we had white cabinets. I think we had black cabinets.
But you know, we can always go back and confirm the selection sheet. But I don't think you all did black.
Okay, I'll look too.
Yeah. Looking good. Okay. Well, let's check out outside.
Okay.
This is kind of like the end of your lot right here, 153.
Uh-huh.
And then the other one goes from here. So 152 goes.
Yeah. I can't wait to get us a screen door. We gotta get a fence around our yard and stuff like that.
So if you would like more information or if you'd like to schedule a private tour to come out and take a look, give me a call, 803-524-6886. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Like this episode and comment giveaway below for your chances to win a free branded long sleeve t-shirt. Winners announced every Friday.